Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to upload a photo to Instagram without cropping. The first thing you need to do is go to your navigator, like Google, and after that you need to go to this. You need to search this page, iLovelMG. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of resize image. In this part, you need to select the image you want to upload to Instagram. For example, this. You pick in done, and after that you need to pick here in resize image. And now, of course, I do this automatically, and the only thing you need to do is download the image. But if you want modificate manual the proportion of the image, you need to pick here, and the only thing you need to do is here you can change the proportion, the dimension of the image to dimension of a post on Instagram. You pick in done, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.